And down the hall in this building is a door which has some amazing features. In this video, I'm gonna take a little bit of time and show you some of its features and deficiencies. This door is, take a look at it. It looks like it's yellowish, brownish, blackish, whatever. This is made of leather. You can see it's wrinkled, it's got some textures to it. It looks like a steel door, but it's not. These are patches of cow hide that make this door up. That's why its surface is also uneven. It's riveted onto a metal frame, iron frame. I'll show you from the other side. So these are just cow hide. You can see the edge of it here. You can see it's kind of deteriorating there. It's being riveted through. Here is the edge of it. You can see it's separating from the iron frame. Nice, and it's riveted through. This is the door stop. Works like this. Door opens. The door stop is a little bit loose in the wall. It's okay. This side is the iron frame side. This is how they joined the corner here. Just lap joint, obviously not welded. There's no welding in year 1225. So that's how that side is looking. Patches of leather on iron frame. Let's secure the door here. Yes, I touched it there. Sorry about that. Okay, let's take a look at the hinges here. The hinges are solid, set in the stonework here. They could use a little bit of lubricant, but I think they'll be fine without. It's been working fantastically well since 1225. On the other side of the door frame is the strike plate or strike ring here. A little bit loose in the stonework, but that's okay. We have these 3 rings set in the stonework, and this is a modern pin to bolt the door shut. You can see modern welding on it. So this is steel, and there is this amazing lock on this door, which looks like this and works like this. There is I don't know, 200-year-old tie wire on it. So I think this is just amazing that this is a leather door on an iron frame with a lock from, I don't know, 800-year-old lock and door.